Dialogue 1-to-1, formal greetings. James, good morning, Professor Austin, how are you doing? Professor Austin, good morning, James. I am doing well. And you? James, I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please? Professor Austin, hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week. Emma, it's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us. Professor Austin, don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your questions. 5. Language notes. The greetings good morning / good afternoon / good evening are used at different times of the day to greet people. Good evening is often used after 6 p.m. or generally when the sun has set. Good night is not a greeting, it is used when leaving a place or group of people. Thank you and good night / good night, and see you tomorrow. When people meet in the United States, it is customary for them to shake hands. A handshake should be firm and usually lasts for about 2 to 3 seconds, which allows enough time to say nice to meet you. Don't mention it is another way of saying you're welcome. The phrase you are welcome is more formal. However, responses such as don't mention it, / no problem, / happy to help are informal ways of responding to a thank you.